Okay, my wonderful kindred spirits, let's get to this unboxing of this fabulous deck. And there we go. This is all very exciting. It's an absolutely beautiful box, really lovely, nicely embossed along the edge. I'll give you a good look round. It looks to me like it's going to lift. Yeah. Wow. Wow, look at that. So we have a little guidebook. Let me see. Wow. And it's hard-backed, which is nice. Okay. Different spreads, and then obviously the meanings of each of the cards. Wow. Okay. And so let's get the deck out. I'm going to stand that there. Let me just get my little envelope opener. There we go. Oh wow, the back is absolutely fabulous. Oh, and the cardstock, it's really, really lovely. Okay, look at that. Isn't that glorious? Okay, well, let's go. I can honestly say the cardstock, it's fab. It almost looks like the canvases I'm painting on at the moment. It's got that kind of look to it. You can see that, can't you? And the cardstock itself, it's nice, it's thick, it's shiny. It reminds me somewhat of the same cardstock like the Connolly deck, apart from this wonderful shimmery sheen that we have presenting itself. Okay, well, let's go through this fabulous deck. So major arcanas first. The Fool, and you can actually see that dragon. If I get it out of the light, the dragon behind his head. Okay, next we have the Magician. Wow. Okay, followed by the Priestess. I like her already. She has a wonderful head of beautiful red hair. So that's a winner with me. Okay. Ooh, the Empress. Now I like her hair too. Okay. The Emperor. Oh, he does have an air of authority about him, doesn't he? The Hierophant. The Lovers. Having a cuddle to keep warm. Oh, the Chariot. Look at that one. Wow. Now that is fierce. Okay. That is definitely about overcoming fear and adversity. Number 8, Strength. I like this one. The Hermit. A really nice card. And our wonderful Wheel of Fortune. Number 10. Followed by number 11, Justice. Ooh. Number 12, the Hanged Man. Oh, it looks like the handstand man. A very interesting drawing, nonetheless. Number 13, Death. (14), Temperance. That is a really nice illustration. Okay, number 15, the Devil. Oh, this is interesting. Number 16, the Tower. And in this illustration, look at that. We get kind of the viewpoint of this wonderful little dog, and you're actually looking from the bottom of the tower up the side to the top. A really, really interesting illustration. And number 17, the Star. (18), the Moon. (19), the Sun. (20), Judgment. Another thought-provoking illustration. Oh, that's nice. 21, the World. I like that one. Okay, so now we go on to the Minor Arcana, and it looks like in this deck, swords or air is actually spears. So we have the Ace of Spears. The 2 of Spears. Is spear, or is that wands? Let me go further, because it looks actually like that should be wands. So what else have we got? Let me go further. Cups. Oh no. Okay, I am mistaken, my friends. Okay, we go back. Ace of Spears is Ace of Wands or Ace of Fire. Okay, makes more sense now I look at this second one, because that does look like the 2 of Wands, doesn't it? So 2 of Spears. She's looking at her dragon in the distance. 3 of Spears. 4 of Spears, and that's an absolutely beautiful garland. I love garlands. Okay. Ooh, 5 of Spears. And of course this has a trusty steed on, so of course I will love this. The 6 of Spears. 7 of Spears. I just dropped one, so hold on a moment. The 8 of Spears. The 9 of Spears. Oh, these are all like the Hanged Man. And he's painted on their shields. Wow. Okay. Nice illustration. The 10 of Spears. Page of Spears. lovely. Knight of Spears. And the Queen of Spears. The King of Spears. And next we have Cups. Oh wow. The Ace of Cups. Look at that. That is fabulous. I like that one. Oh, and the Two of Cups. It says Father Smith, Warrior, Mother, Maiden Crone, Stranger I Am. I can't make the rest out. And she is mine from this day until the end of my days. I'll have to try and work out exactly what that says. Oh, Three of Cups. I like that one. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. And the Six of Cups. Wow, a very interesting Seven of Cups. Oh, I like that. That is really, really thought-provoking. Okay. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. Ten of Cups. Oh, isn't that absolutely just lovely that you have in each of your cup you have a candle that is actually lit, so it's like your passions are burning in each cup. Wow. The Page of Cups. The Knight of Cups. Full armour. Wow. The Queen of Cups. And the Knight of Cups. Sorry, the King of Cups. Okay, Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Not sure about that one. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. And the Six of Swords. Seven of Swords. And the Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. That's an interesting illustration for the Nine of Swords. You do have all of your swords there in the background hanging up. You can just see them. Oh wow. Huh. Ten of Swords. Now that is thought-provoking, isn't it? Wow. Okay. The Page of Swords. Oh, the Knight of Swords, he gets to ride Black Beauty. Queen of Swords, look at her throne. Wow. And the King of Swords. Okay, next we have coins representing pentacles and energy of earth. The Ace of Coins. The Two of Coins. Oh, I like that one. The Three of Coins. This is you building that church, building that temple. Wow. That's beautiful. I like that one. Four of Coins. The Five of Coins. The Six of Coins, another beautiful illustration. Seven of Coins. Eight of Coins, I like this one. And the Nine of Coins. Followed by the 10 of Coins. Doesn't want to focus, does it? Come on. Stop focusing. There we go. A veritable feast. A banquet. The Page of Coins. The Knight of Coins. Oh, the Queen of Coins. Isn't she lovely? I like her. Sorry, I'll try to stop waving it around. There we go. And finishing with the King of Coins. What an absolutely fabulous deck. You'll be disappointed to know, my friends, that I have never even watched one episode of the Game of Thrones. And perhaps I should, even though the series has finished now, but perhaps it's something I should watch. But I can honestly say this is it's a lovely, lovely deck. As I've said, the cardstock on it is fabulous. I don't really feel that they're going to quite get too dog-eared too quickly. Okay, well, let's see. Very slippery. Let's see if a card wants to come and which one it is. Okay, and the Game of Thrones deck has given us the Seven of Cups. So we get to pick a wish. 7, that beautiful number of magic, the number of spirituality. You've put the research in, you've done the studying, and now it's time to, I feel this is putting things into practice. I'm really drawn here to this cup. So let's get the book out and see just what the book says for our first card from this gorgeous deck. Okay, cups. And this little book says mystery, possibility, fantasy, imagination. Your imagination is on overdrive just now, and you do not yet have the information you need to make a decision. Everything feels up in the air. You may need to make a choice without knowing the facts, but you have your intuition to guide you. An additional meaning is imagination, dreams, and visions. Let me just see what this says here. Bran Stark sees Bran Stark Warging, something like that, sees visions of past and future events in 7 cups. He must be a character, I think, from Game of Thrones. I'm so sorry, I do not know the characters at all. Isn't that awful? But do you know what, my friends? I don't really watch too much television. I've always got my nose in a book. I'm always researching. I'm always studying. I always want to know more. I don't always find that that's in television production. I find it interesting, though, that it's given us this card coming right on the back of the reading that I have just done for Thursday, which was all about trusting your intuition, you know, becoming consciously aware, and really trusting this your intuition, which is what you're being told with this 7 of Cups. So I feel reinforcing the message that I have just done for Thursday the 21st. Wow, wow, wow. So once again, merci beaucoup, Michelle, une bonne surprise. An absolutely fabulous surprise. I am absolutely blown away, and I can't wait now to start the monthly read, which I'm going to start tomorrow. Well, I'm saying hopefully. I'm fingers crossed I will be starting tomorrow. No, I will start tomorrow. How about that? So, can't wait to start using this deck, my friends, and I can't speak highly enough of it. Even the box is fabulous. It's really solid. It's like a little treasure box. Wow. Aren't we really, really lucky? There we go. The Game of Thrones Tarot. Well, thank you for joining me, my friends. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. I hope you enjoyed going through the deck. Maybe it will inspire you to treat yourself or a loved one. And I look forward to using them. So we'll see you on the monthly readings. So thank you for joining me, my friends. And as usual, may favour be with you all, as I wish you a joyful, a peaceful, and a truly blessed day. And until next time, my friends, goodbye.